Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding shorts with usable permissions or that meet fair use signals. Choose a Creative Commons clip or public domain short. Once found, jot exact timestamps and the creator name so you can credit accurately. Then decide how you will transform the clip, commentary, remix, or critique, because the how determines legality. Begin clipping only the segments you need and keep the original video handy for reference. This reduces risk and gives you material for the next step. You now make significant changes. Add a clear voiceover that provides analysis, overlay new visuals, and insert original B-roll so the short becomes your work. Once done, change pace by trimming, cropping, or reframing shots and layer royalty-free music at lower volume to avoid masking commentary. Make sure the clip is as short as necessary and emphasizes your new message. This is what supports transformative use. So document every edit and keep project files for proof. You finish by exporting with visible on-screen credits and a clear description that states the clip source and your transformative intent. Once uploaded, set the metadata and tags to reflect commentary or remix, and keep a project copy showing edits, timestamps, and scripts. If a copyright claim appears, respond with a concise dispute explaining how you transformed the content and include timestamps and the edit log. One troubleshooting tip: if a claim persists, file an appeal with documented evidence and consider re-editing to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.